Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. With the 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, this Samsung Galaxy smartphone handles everything from small tasks to demanding apps with ease. The 1.5 GB RAM gives you the freedom to navigate between multiple web tabs. The powerful battery of this phone gives you the confidence to listen to music, watch videos, or surf the web for hours on end without having to worry about a charging outlet nearby. Stunning display. This Samsung Dual SIM smartphone features a 5-inch SAMOLED display that offers a mesmerizing visual experience. Thanks to its large color gamut, the display provides a wide range of colors, making every image vibrant and detailed. Incredible camera. The Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro is perfect for capturing all the memorable moments of life. It has an 8-megapixel rear camera that uses an f2.2 aperture to capture outstanding low-light pictures. Also, the rear camera records stunning videos. The phone features a 5-megapixel front camera that delivers Instagram-ready pictures. The intuitive floating shutter button of the Grand Prime Pro allows for improved stability and grip to give you user-defined control when shooting. You merely have to drag the shutter button left or right for zooming in and out when using its primary camera. It takes the hassle out of shooting memorable photos with the simplified camera functionality and inbuilt, easy-to-use tools. Its clutter-free, intuitive interface lets you access different image modes with a single swipe. Convenient Wi-Fi switching. Save time enabling and disabling Wi-Fi with the Samsung Galaxy Dual SIM Mobile. The device stores your Wi-Fi history and will intelligently switch on and off when you are in the proximity of frequently used hotspots. Now you can enjoy seamless web browsing while reducing mobile LTE data usage. Dual Messenger. This Samsung Galaxy Mobile lets you customize the way you chat by allowing for the setup of 2 accounts for the same Messenger app for different purposes. Now you can install and efficiently manage the second Messenger account from the home screen and settings menu. Hidden for your protection. Create a private and fully encrypted space using the Samsung Secure Folder Pro feature of this Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Mobile. Store and hide content such as photos, docs, voice recording files under an added layer of protection that only you can access.